Whether you live in somewhere hot and humid like me or somewhere hot and dry, the summer can definitely be rough on fine hair. And if you have fine hair like me, you know that our biggest challenge is trying to avoid our hair going greasy, flat, or frizzy 5 minutes after leaving the house. So today I am sharing my go-to summer products for fine hair that will help your hairstyle survive the heat and the humidity without sacrificing volume. I will have everything I mentioned linked so you do not have to remember it all. So starting with a gentle and hydrating, but still lightweight, shampoo and conditioner is super important. I'm actually gonna give 2 recommendations, one for someone who has finer straight hair and one for somebody who has fine, more frizzy, curly hair, because we can't forget that curly hair people have fine hair too. For my fine hair girlies that are more on the straight side, I'm going to recommend the Oribe Alchemy shampoo and conditioner duo. This will actually help prevent your hair from future damage, and it protects it while making it soft, manageable, and really shiny. This is what I am personally reaching for this summer. Now for my curly, wavy, and extra frizzy fine hair girls, I am really liking the Virtue Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. This will help calm the frizz and smooth your hair while adding just a tiny bit of weight. Sometimes really lightweight, frizzy hair needs a little bit of weight to help it avoid looking like cotton candy, if you know what I'm talking about. If your hair tends to frizz or go flat the second you step outside, then this category you don't want to miss. Because let's be honest, there's nothing worse than spending 30 minutes on your hair just for the humidity to undo all your hard work. My go-to product for protecting your hair from the humidity is the Oribe Impermeable Anti-Humidity Spray. This has been my salon's biggest seller for the last 10 years, and not only for fine hair girls, all hair types love this product. For me, it's pretty much a non-negotiable in the summer. It helps create a barrier against the humidity so that your styles last much longer. And it's weightless, so it won't flatten your hair in the process. If I'm going outside in Charleston for any length of time, this is going in my hair, no questions. Moving on to root lift, volume, and texture, because who doesn't want more of that? I actually have 2 categories here: products that go in your hair before you blow dry and products that go in your hair after you blow dry. My first pick for pre-blow dry is the K18 Astro Lift. I really love this for its root lift and volume, but it also offers the reparative benefits that K18 has, so you're getting the best of both worlds, which is especially good in the summer. For me particularly, I like using this mainly at the roots because I have highlighted hair. So if you have heavily highlighted hair like me, I would also avoid it on the ends because I feel like it can be a little bit drying. But if you have just traditional hair color or no hair color at all, feel free to apply this roots to ends for that extra texture, body, and fullness. My second pick is the Virtue Volumizing Primer, and despite the name, it is not just a primer. Like all Virtue products, it does contain the alpha keratin 60Ku, which is a human-derived keratin from upcycled hair. So it's not synthetic like some other keratins. So you're not only getting volume, but you're also repairing your hair and protecting it from future damage. We all love it here at my salon because it gives really nice body, texture, and fullness without weighing your hair down. Now for after your blow dry. You already know that I am a broken record when it comes to the R+Co Balloon Dry Volumizing Spray. This is my holy grail product for fine hair. It gives the softest texture and fullness while still being brushable, and probably one of the most lightweight texture sprays I've come across. And it's probably why they don't call it a texture spray. They call it a dry volume spray. It's another one of our top products at the salon. And if you just had to pick one product off the list for volume, this would be the one. It's so incredibly lightweight. It adds texture, it adds fullness without weighing your hair down, which is super important in the summer. And if you struggle with your bangs or your roots or your hair separating throughout the day, and you tend to be somebody who sweats a lot on your forehead and your bangs get stuck to your forehead, then you must try the Oribe Swept Up Volumizing Powder Spray. In the summer, the winter, whenever actually. This is one of my holy grails, definitely my top 3. It is my personal favorite to keep my hair from falling flat and my bangs from separating, and is just probably one that I talk about in every single one of my videos, and definitely a top pick in the salon for my stylist and my clients. It is a tiny little bottle, but don't let that fool you because there is quite a bit in here and it lasts quite a long time. I am a huge advocate for powdered dry shampoo for fine hair, especially in the summertime. Why, you ask? Because when it's hot and humid outside, our scalps tend to sweat more, which means our hair gets oily and falls flat a lot faster. I actually really love to pre-treat clean hair with powder dry shampoo. It helps absorb extra oil and moisture before it has a chance to weigh your hair down and ruin your volume. I actually have 3 favorites, but I don't want to overwhelm you, so I'll give you my top 2. The first one is the Oribe Serene Scalp Dry Shampoo Powder. It has a super fine powder that helps absorb the oils while also giving you like a nice airy lift. A little pro tip with a very lightweight dry shampoo like this is if you accidentally over apply like a smoothing or shine product and your hair looks a little oily or greasy, you can just tap this on and brush it in and it will fluff your hair back up and your hair will look good as new. I actually use this on clean hair more than I use it on dirty hair. Now for refreshing day 2 hair, the K18 Air Wash is like no other dry shampoo I've ever tried. Not only does it refresh your hair, but it also works as like a restyler because it does have a little bit of wetness to it. And my little pro tip for this is to spray it in your hair, brush it in, and hit it with your blow dryer, and your hair will be literally brand new. And a little bonus, you're getting the K18 repair technology, which is extra important in the summer. Fine hair girls know that adding shine and moisture to the hair can be a risky situation. One extra drop and suddenly your hair goes from silky and shiny to greasy and flat real quick. So I'll share my favorites for shine and moisture that won't cause your hair to fall flat the second you apply them. The first is the Dart Pomade Stick. This is such a great little product to keep on hand for little flyaways, smoothing the little baby hairs around your face. And if you're someone who likes a sleek ponytail, it is perfect for that. And even though it looks like a tiny little guy, one stick will probably last you your entire life. For moisture and shine, I really love the Oribe Super Shine Light Moisturizing Cream. This is actually one of those products that was made for fine hair, hence the word light. It adds softness, moisture, and protects your hair from the heat, and it won't leave you with a greasy or heavy feeling. I especially love this for fine hair that's a little bit on the drier side or is lacking a little bit of shine. It gives the perfect amount of moisture and reflection to fine dull hair. Just remember with fine hair, add a little bit at a time because you can always add more. It's definitely a lot harder to mitigate the situation if you over apply. Now, if you don't want to use a cream, but you still want that shine, I am loving the Virtue Healing Oil. This is such a very fine micro oil, if you will. Also has the alpha keratin 60 KU, so you're getting the reparative benefits, which is extremely important in the summer. It is definitely hard to over apply because they do put a very tiny hole at the top, which is perfect for somebody who's worried about getting a little bit too much in the palm of their hands. And it has the best smell. It's like coconut, vanilla, maybe, I don't know. It's delicious. It's definitely a really good option for somebody who just wants like an extremely light product that adds shine and helps repair your hair. Between the sun, chlorine, the salt water, and the heat styling, the summer can definitely be rough on fine hair. So these are the products that I reach for when my hair needs a little extra TLC. First up is the Hair Alchemy by Oribe. This is their Fortifying Treatment Serum. If you have fine hair and you want to skip the conditioner, this is a good option to use as a leave-in conditioner, and it protects your hair from the heat and it works as a treatment all in one. If your hair tends to get weighed down, and I would definitely skip your conditioner and then use this in place of your conditioner as like a leave-in conditioner. Another one of my favorite multitasking products is the R+Co Candy Stripe. This is to protect, prep, and detangle. This would be a really good option to take to the pool or the beach to pre-spray your hair or after. It has a heat protectant in it, and it sprays, so that's pretty handy. It's definitely one of my favorites in the R+Co lineup, and it is one of our stylists' top picks as well. So if you want a multitasking product that does it all, including heat protection, you can definitely ensure that this one will be a good option for you. And then we have one that's in a league of its own. This is the IGK Antisocial. It is considered a time-release bond-building dry mask. And if you were to see this on the shelf, you probably would have no idea what to do with it. But for me, I love to spray it in my hair when I accidentally over-apply maybe too many volumizing products and my hair tends to feel a little bit dry or harsh or coarse. This instantly softens it and silkens it up without weighing it down. And it has a bond building technology, so you're repairing your hair. It's considered a mask at the same time. I just have to say, this is just one of those products that I was really surprised when I used it how much I loved it. So if you have coarser hair on the finer side, I know that's kind of random to say, but if you have more of a dry, especially in the summer, drier hair, then I would definitely give this a go. And there's so much in this can. It's one of those products that will probably last you a very long time. A little tip too, if you don't really know how your hair is gonna react to a particular product, apply it the day before you're gonna wash your hair, maybe a day that you're gonna be just walking around the house. Because if you accidentally over apply it or you don't love it, then it's not gonna ruin your whole day. Last but not least, let's talk about finishing products. Because what is the point of creating all of this volume if it's just gonna fall flat before lunch? When it comes to hairsprays, I am all about a micro fine mist. I honestly go back and forth between the Oribe and the Oribe and the R+Co. Both of them have very extremely fine mists. Right now, I'm actually using the Oribe Superfine Strong for this summertime, just because I feel like I just do need a little bit more hold, and it really does have the most microfine mist. Both of the products smell delicious. The Oribe has the the Oribe signature scent, if you're familiar with that. And the R+Co is just a little bit more playful. I have to say, if I had to say which one was gonna be a little bit finer mist, the Oribe has just a little bit more micro fine mist. So if you're worried at all about weighing your hair down, then I would go with the Oribe. And a little pro tip is to spray up into your hair when applying your hairspray, so you're not worried about collapsing the volume. I do have to say, you cannot go wrong with either of these brands option. If you wanted to save a little bit of money, then the R+Co has a little bit more of a modest price. But either way, on fine hair, these products will last you a very long time. One last tip before we wrap up. If you want your products to work their best, don't just apply them to the top layer of your hair. Take a few extra moments to section and distribute the products evenly throughout. This is one of the reasons why I love my precision paddle brush. It has a precision sectioning tip to help section your hair and distribute the products evenly. It creates clean sections, and it's really useful for applying scalp serums and minoxidil and products like that, so you can actually get the product where you want it. Plus, it's gentle enough for post, pool, and beach detangling without ruining your volume in the process. If you have any questions about any of the products, leave them in the description below and let me know what your biggest summer struggle is, because we might be able to cover it in another video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my fine hair tips and product recommendations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.